Hi, I'm Matthew, the structural engineer here at Wickens Engineering. I'm here to answer your questions on cantilever racking. Today, we're asking, should cantilever racks be anchored to the floor? The simple answer is yes. Theoretically, a cantilever rack has been designed to be stable in its own right. However, in reality, it is often hit by other forces such as collisions with forklift trucks that can move it from its original location or, at worst case scenario, tip the cantilever racking over. Therefore, we always recommend that the cantilever racking is adequately anchored to a suitable floor system. That suitable floor system should always be a concrete floor slab or concrete slab poured externally from your building. This is because concrete acts as a sound structural base for storing heavy point loads which are induced from cantilever racking. We don't recommend that cantilever racking is installed on tarmac because tarmac is not suitable for heavy point loading that cantilever racking can induce on floors. I'll cover more about why not to fix cantilever racking on tarmac floors in a future video. If you've got any questions, please contact us at asktheexpert@wickens.co.uk and see you next time.